Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about procedural and object-oriented programming, part of programming in C++ course. Procedural and object-oriented programming are two different programming paradigms in C++. Procedural programming is a traditional programming style where the program is divided into procedures, also known as functions or subroutines, that are executed step by step. In procedural programming, data and functions are separate entities, and data is passed to functions as arguments. This style of programming is useful for solving problems that can be broken down into a series of well-defined tasks. Here is an example of procedural programming in C++. In this code, the sum function takes two integer arguments, a and b, and returns their sum. The main function calls the sum function with x and y as arguments, and the result is printed to the console. Object-oriented programming. In object-oriented programming, the programming style that is based on the concept of objects. An object is a data structure that combines data and functions known as methods that operate on the data. In object-oriented programming, objects interact with each other by sending messages to one another. And objects can have their own state and behavior. This style of programming is useful for modeling real-world objects and their interactions. Here is an example of object-oriented programming in C++. In this code, the rectangle class defines the properties and behaviors of rectangles. The class has two private variables, width and height, and three public methods, set_width, set_height, and area. The set_width and set_height methods are used to set the width and height of a rectangle, and the area method returns the area of a rectangle. In the main function, an object rect of type rectangle is created, and its width and height are set using the setWidth and setHeight methods. The area of the rectangle is then computed and printed to the console using the area method. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.